Today's ramen is packed with flavor-rich miso soup with a soft egg drop. Start by slicing up some garlic, nice and thin. Fry it in a bit of salad oil until it's golden and crispy. This will be our crunchy garlic topping. Next, load up the same pan with lots of pork belly. Since we're using the same garlic-infused oil, the meat gets a delicious garlicky kick. Add some bean sprouts and a splash of soy sauce to make a tasty, stir-fried veggie mix. Now, for the egg mix, it with a bit of mayo and grated garlic to make it super fluffy and flavorful. Boil your noodles, drop in your soup base, and gently pour the egg into the hot broth to create that silky egg drop texture. Top everything off with your stir-fry, crispy garlic, and chopped green onions, and you're done.